There you go, guys. It's just trying to test my camera out, so I thought what way to better to do it than to grab an old box and open it up. So yeah, so I grabbed the Donruss. I don't think I've ever opened one of these up, actually, to be honest with you. They sit on a lot of boxes. What year is this? Don't even know what year it is. There we go, 15, 16. Choice. I have opened one of these years ago, but I don't know. Donruss. So look, see what they got. That's a pain. First packet and already stuffed. Yeah. Quite annoying, clay. Let's say Howard Brewer. We have a Kyrie Irving Extra Edition. That's the side. Nick Young, Gordon, Marcel. Not gonna bother. Yeah, so that clarity seems to be coming through okay. Alan, Charles. You got a green, Scoring Kings. Adrian Danley. Tyrese Harris. Brandon Foy. Got Larry. There's a bit quicker. Yep, looks like it is a patch card coming out. Cephalosha, Gordon, Tyson Chandler, and we have a Grant patch. Awesome rookie. Put that to the side. Isaiah Thomas, Jordan Hill, and Nikola Vucevic. It's good to practice on a camera like this. Alec Burks, Kevin Love, Joe Keane. We have a yep, Rashad Vaughn, DeMar, my man's. Yeah. So yeah, just open this because I just wanted to check the camera quality was coming through, because we just started breaking recently, and it was coming out pretty blurry, but it seems to be coming out okay at the moment. We've got a Elite Series Abdul-Jabbar, Freak Amelia, Wilson, and George Hill. Let's just grab these auto base. Put them over there. I feel like I may have opened these before, actually. Greg Monroe, Al Horford, Williams. We have a, what do we got here? Miles Turner rookie. Franchise features. Is that coming through? Yep. Put that to the side. Kobe. Hollis, Martha Carroll. Actually, not bad looking cards. Come on. Aldridge. Duncan. What we got here? We got Mike Conley. Oh, Super Hollow, I guess. Yeah, Memphis Grizzlies. And we have A-rated rookie, Walter Tavares. Probably not even around. Haven't seen him. Avery Bradley. Zakauskas. Sergi Ibaka. 16, 17. Ginobili, Chandler, Brandon Knight. We got a Bob Cousy, Passing Kings. Very nice. Feels pretty good too. Nope, not numbered. Drummond, Durant, Omar. Dirk, Oladipo, Levine, Marcus Cousins, and we have a Jonathan Simmons rookie. Tariq Evans, Julia, Patrick Patterson. Pretty good just to get some practice on this too. David West, Simon Hill. We have a nice. We have a green. Scoring Kings, LeBron James, and we have a Rebounding Kings, Robert Parrish, red. Paul Pierce, Roy Hibbert. Johnny Fry, Alex Lynn, Draymond, Mike Conley. We have Elite Series, Blake Griffin. And Marcus Morris, Nene, and Dion Waiters. Awesome. See, it seems like the quality seems to have come through. Not bad. Thanks for tuning in while I practice, guys. Alright, peace out.